Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Ben from Ben Daily Tips. Today we are going to install Google Chrome on Windows 7. Let's get started. First, you should click on your default web browser. Mine is Internet Explorer. In your address bar, you should type in google.com. After that, type in Google Chrome and hit enter. Select Fetch Link. You should see a page like this. Click on Download Chrome. If your download didn't begin, you can click on Download Chrome manually. Click on Run. Click on Yes. And wait for Google Chrome to download and install on your system. Now Google Chrome is ready, you can use it. You can type in address bar, for example, google.com. And if you want to check your Google Chrome version, you can click on here, select Help, and click on About Google Chrome. As you can see, my Google Chrome version is here. Thank you guys for watching. That's it.